inside of me. In this dance that I can look at you with love.
Hello friends, I am Jasmine Daniel from Crystal Academy. Do you know what? Sorry has become such a cliched term that it has given rise to proverbs like, sorry cannot bring a dead man alive. Sometimes we even wish there were other expressions that would mean sorry. Here are some suggestions. My apologies. This sounds slightly formal, but it definitely is sincere. My apologies, but your order may slightly be delayed because of poor weather condition. Try using these expressions. I have lot of regrets for doing something, or simply I regret doing something. I have lot of regrets for the way I spoke the other day. I regret having spoken the way I did the other day. Let's now see some very casual expressions. My bad. My bad. I shouldn't have been there on the first place. My bad. I shouldn't have been there on the first place. Second expression, I messed up. I messed up. I was so blinded by anger that I hardly gave a second thought. I messed up. I was so blinded by anger that I hardly gave a second thought. Dear friends, try using these expressions instead of sorry. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and remember to share it with your friends. I'll catch up with you on our next lesson. Thanks for watching.
Can you stay and I will grow?